The District Legal Service Authority of East Khasi Hills District organized an awareness program yesterday to inform stakeholders about the availability of free legal and aid for victims of violent crimes, including rape, murder, hit-and-run cases and others. The event held at Shillong Law College brought together doctors, Anganwadi workers, ASHA workers, village leaders, paralegal volunteers and other community members. The meeting aimed to educate participants about the legal support and resources available to victims of violence.
Man lek, man bisa, man wajib agiran kita cases. Man counseling the approach support. Namar kali ka domestic abuses si kali ka tanong very prominent ka judge sama pala. Namar ka society ka jongi sa kamtam sa North India. Ya ka kanthi ni sultanat man subjugate. We love to subjugate a woman. Yang kakitay ni ala ay banbanbay. Natakana kibon kini ay kibon women protection centric laws. Protect the kakitay. Naman yang kakitay ni yung kini because
As